Meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, and just a bit more information on that confirmed tornado, which touched down in the Wrentham Common Center, or the Wrentham Town Center. It believes that it looks like it was on the ground for about 10 minutes. Susan Campbell at that press conference with the Weather Service giving us these details. And you know, this was a weak tornado when you look at the entire scale. It's an EF0, but even the weak ones can do plenty of damage. And it was a good thing that it was not stronger than it was. So as we look at a few more of the stats on this, maximum winds topped out, according to the report, at 80 miles per hour. It was a 0.5 mile path, about half a mile it was on the ground for. And when we look at these things, obviously it was a very isolated incident. It was actually a pretty small thunderstorm that was hanging out in northern Rhode Island into central Massachusetts, but it only takes one to really stir things up this time of year. Now, we had a lot of other damage, a lot of trees down across a good portion of Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts, but a lot of that damage was just from the strong thunderstorms which came through yesterday afternoon. So definitely a wild day of weather yesterday. Nice to transition over to some more calmer weather today, and then we will see some changes starting tomorrow evening. It's not a washout when we're talking about the rain that's on the way for Thursday into Friday and then again on Sunday, but certainly several rounds of rain will be moving through. Now, on the threat tracker, no severe weather in sight, and on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, things are completely clear. Temperature right now is 77 degrees. Winds are out of the northwest at 10 miles an hour. Dew points have dropped quite a bit since yesterday, so it's a little more comfortable with dew points in the mid-50s. 75 is your temperature right now in Smithfield, 80 in Taunton, 79 New Bedford, 76 in Newport, and 79 in Westerly. Notice what our winds are doing. Right now, they're out of the north between about 10 and 15 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour in Providence, 12 miles an hour in Westerly, and as long as we have these land breezes, this could continue to allow the coast to heat up, but there may be a little bit of shifting there which will flatten out those coastal temperatures in the low 80s to upper 70s, while inland spots will continue to climb into the mid 80s this afternoon. So we're behind that front, some more comfortable drier air being pulled in behind it. We do have a few of these pop-up fair weather clouds floating through the skies right now, so we'll call it partly cloudy into the afternoon, but I'm thinking more blue than clouds when you average everything out. 82 by around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 p.m. we're at 84, mid 80s still at 5 p.m. with those winds out of the west. I'm fast forwarding now to tomorrow. This is around noontime. Notice how most of Thursday afternoon is rain free, but by the evening, say after 7 or 8 p.m., some of these showers come on through, and then some of those showers will likely spill into Friday morning. By Friday afternoon, perhaps a spotty showers around, but most of Friday afternoon looks okay. But notice what our temperatures are going to do. So we have the 85 today, the 82 tomorrow, some showers tomorrow evening, and then Friday's high temperature down to 71 degrees, and this is when kind of the cooler pattern starts to take over. Again, optimistically, I'm clearing out the showers by Friday afternoon. And then on Saturday, 71 degrees, certainly cooler than we've been used to the past couple days. The showers that do pull on through, I'm anticipating not to arrive until after sunset, so most of your Saturday outdoor activities should be okay. And then on Sunday, rain is likely, especially during the morning. Now, obviously, we have golf going on, a lot of things going on outdoors. Optimistically, we could get rid of most of the showers by Sunday morning and then enjoy some drier time by the afternoon. But even that part of the forecast is very iffy. And look at the high temperature, only 67 degrees with some of those cooler winds coming in out of the east. So we're just going to have to monitor this weekend, look at more data before giving you more details on that Sunday part of the forecast. Patrick, I know you're interested in that weekend forecast as well.
CBS Health Charity Classic, Pro-Am on Sunday, tournament Monday, Tuesday. 3 days away, so there's always a chance.
I'm going to do my best to kind of shove the moisture out of the way. We'll see what happens.
All right. See how strong you are.
Yes.
Thanks, Pete.